your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and in today's video it's all about my December Ipsy bag. So if you want to see what I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of December, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I just got my Ipsy bag in the mail, and you know I gotta open it with you guys. So I'm super excited, as always, because you know I'm just like a kid in a candy store when I get beauty and makeup products. So I'm very, very excited. But if you do not know what Ipsy is, and this is your first time to my channel, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. The Ipsy bag is $12 a month. It used to be $10 a month, but for $12 a month, you get, I believe it's 4 to 5 travel to sample size products. So this is it. So let's get started and just open this bag up, because I'm excited and I'm ready. I already got my Ipsy Glam Plus box, which that's $25 a month. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll link that up above. But yes, so this is the bag that we got this month, and it did come in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag as well. So my Ipsy Glam Plus box as well. So yes, so I got 2 of these bags, so I'll probably throw it in a giveaway with you guys, for you guys, with some goodies inside. Let me start off by saying this. I like to be surprised, so I never do the spoilers. I never look. I barely select products in my bag. Every blue moon I might do that, so because I want to be surprised just like you guys. So the first product that I have is by Tpsy, and it is a lip gloss. Ooh. And it is a clear lip gloss, but it has a pink tip in there. And this is in Lip Crush. It's a lip oil. Oh, not even a gloss. It's a lip oil. So I'm just going to dab some on. Yeah, this is a lip oil. This is really, really nice to have. And I'm glad that I got this, because it's the winter time, so my lips get a little drier, and then I wear a lot of matte lipsticks, so you know how that can be, ladies. So this is nice to have. It is a nice little lip oil, and it's called Lip Crush. Let me see if it has a scent. It does. It does have a scent. It doesn't stink. I can't really pinpoint it, but it smells fresh. Okay, like that. Next up, this is by Benefit. This is the Porefessional Pore Primer. And this is a little travel size, as you can see. Ooh, I actually already got this primer in another one of my boxes, and I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to put this in a little giveaway for you guys. It's a little sample size. As you can see, there goes the tube inside. That is cute. And I've heard it says it's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. And who doesn't want to minimize their pores, boo? So this is cute. Gonna put that in a little giveaway for y'all. Next up, this is by Raeka, if I'm saying that correctly. It says Illuminating Turmeric Polish. It's a turmeric facial scrub. Ooh, this sounds very interesting. So let me show you guys the packaging. And it says, the deep cleansing scrub with the help of turmeric targets the pores and soothes the skin. The anti-oxidizing nature of turmeric helps prevent formation of wrinkles, while the healing properties aid in acne treatment. Walnut and oat granularly exfoliates dead skin cells and excessive oil. Gentle enough for daily use. Ooh, I am definitely going to try this out, because I do like turmeric in my skincare routine. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out and see how it does. Let's open it up and see what she smells like, what she looks like. Okay, so I got the silver part off, but there's like this plastic film. Okay, so it is a clear, it's like a white consistency, if you could see that. And then I don't know if you could see those little beadings in there, but it looks like little pieces of like walnut. And yeah, you can feel it. Definitely like a gentle exfoliator. I'm definitely interested in trying this out. Very, very nice. Ooh, Ooh, she smells like turmeric, but also like some type of flower. I don't know exactly what flower, but it does have a florally scent. So this, I'm going to definitely try this out and see how it does. Next up, we have, this is from Tarte. And this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Ooh, that is nice. And it's always nice to get blushes, or even if they're sample sizes or travel sizes, they last, boo. So let's open her up and see what this looks like. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's a cute little pinky mauve color. Love that. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me take the plastic film off so y'all can see. I'm definitely going to be trying this. It's like the exact same color as the case. Look at that. Let me put some on my finger. Very nice. And let's just do a little swatch. Ooh. She's like a subtle blush. It's cute. It's cute. I would probably have to pack her on. Or if I'm doing like a no makeup look and I just kind of want to be flush, you know, not too much. That is very nice. So I'm excited to play with this. Okay, and last but not least, we have, this is by Skin Regiment. It's the Night Detox Overnight Pro Validity Mask. Overnight Pro Validity Mask. So, let me see what this is all about. Y'all know I love skincare. So what does it say? It helps revitalize skin from impurity buildup, and reveal a radiant morning complexion. Its rich massage texture helps reveal signs of stress. Natural aroma with a rebalancing, revigorating effects. So I'm definitely interested to try this out and see how it does, because y'all know I'm into definitely trying to keep my face and my canvas up to point, boo. Okay, so definitely interested in trying this. Let's see. Sorry, they're mowing my grass right now, so my dog's getting excited. Okay, there's no scent, and it's like a white cream. Let's see. And she's very, it feels like she would seep into your skin. Very liquidy and moisturizing. I'm rubbing it on my arm to see how it feels, to get the texture of it. Yeah, so it just says directions: apply on your face, eat every evening, and rinse in the morning. So I guess it's got to like go in there and pull all of that stuff out. That's really, really nice and interesting. So I'm definitely interested in trying that out. So yeah, so that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag, besides the little insert, which, you know, I never read unless I have to. And this month's theme is Shine On. Shine On. So that is this month's theme. But yes, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm very, very pleased with this bag for $12 a month. It's not that bad. I got some great facial products to try out. A nice little blush. And a lip oil, which is very good for this time of year. And some primer, which I'm going to be gifting to one of you guys with this cute little bag. I already have 2 of them. It's not my favorite bag, but hey, you know, so this too will be going into a giveaway. But that's all I have for this video. Comment down below what you like out of this month's Ipsy bag. I liked pretty much everything, as always. Well, not as always, because sometimes there's, you know, some months that ain't as good, but majority of the time I am very pleased. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.